Many people don't realize how easy it is to get your image onto a watch band. Whether you're looking for a fun hobby or starting a business, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson desktop dye sublimation technology. In order to get your image onto a watch band, here's what you need. An Epson F170 dye sublimation printer loaded with multi-use transfer paper, scissors, heat transfer tape, a heat pad, a blank watch band, a small heat press like this one, and a pair of heat gloves. Once you have the finished design for your watch bands, this is how to send them to the F170 printer. For Windows users, click the Print button. Choose Properties. Choose your paper type. For a watch band, choose Rigid. Click OK. Then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Choose Printer. Choose Print Settings. Choose your media type. For a watch band, choose Rigid. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. And now let's trim out each individual watch band print. So now we're ready to attach our watch bands onto our paper. Just flip them over, set them in place, apply a couple of pieces of heat transfer tape, and we're ready to transfer. Before we press our watch, you may want to protect your table surface. To do so, grab a piece of scrap wood or a piece of cardboard, then lay some craft paper on top of that. Now we're ready to place our item. Once we've done that, grab your heat press, set it in place, and begin the timer. We're pressing at 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and when the timer is done, it will alert us. Be sure to lift your heat press up slowly. Be sure to put on your heat gloves as the item will be hot. Once you've done that, simply peel the paper away. And now that you've peeled your paper away, you have your completed watch band.